Hey guys, Eric Energy here with a quick Easter egg explosion volcano. We're going to do a quick experiment in the kitchen with very simple ingredients, but you still need to get an adult to supervise. You also are going to need protective clothing anytime you do a science experiment. But first, we're going to make the explosive paste. We're going to take the baking soda. We need a tablespoon of baking soda. We need 2 teaspoons of water, and we're going to put our favorite food coloring into this concoction and make a very thick paste-like substance. Then you're going to take a hard-boiled egg. You're also going to take some distilled white vinegar and put a cup filled in a splash-proof bowl or pan. What you're going to do then is you're going to take your paste. You really have to goop it on. So we're going to take all of that baking soda, all of that food coloring, all of that water, put it all over the egg. I'm going to do it about 10 times, and then I'm going to drop it right in the vinegar. But we're going to need a countdown. Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. As you can see, that carbon dioxide reaction is occurring. When the baking soda mixes with the vinegar, the carbon dioxide gas is released and it overflows. It also is going to create inside a dyed egg. Ladies and gentlemen, the exploding Easter volcano.